this was the one that I really loved. This is my favorite version.
Bad bitches from the world, let me make it clear. When I leave you, swirling back to pink hair. Made $1 million in Shanghai. I don't need job applications for that pressure I apply. That is why they gotta lie. That is just how they get by. But my flow still gon' be wavy and your flow still gon' be dry. I done fucked the world up in 10 short years. Had teachers like BTS and been all ears. Loose studs that's BBS and get more ears. They been praying on my downfall. They need more prayers. I'ma hold the back up and fuck your daddy. I'ma stay up like about 3 hours. Girl with the blonde hair, call me Bobby. Let's get faded and have a party. Yeah, if you get the bomb, put your hands in the air. Bad bitches run the world, let me make it clear. When I leave you, burn up the pink hair.
Naya.YL say, can we get this version? Oh, so y'all admitting that y'all listened to a leak